In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an Azure SQL database to a development server or environment using a few different methods. This is an essential skill for those working in cloud environments, particularly if you're developing or testing applications that interact with your database. Let's dive into it and explore the simplest way to achieve this within the Azure ecosystem itself. If your development environment is also hosted in Azure SQL, whether it resides on the same subscription or on the same server, there's a particularly straightforward method available. This involves using the built-in database copy capabilities that Azure SQL provides. There are several approaches you can take, so let's explore these options one by one. First, let's talk about using the Azure portal. The Azure portal interface offers a simple and visual way to copy your database. Start by navigating to your source database in the Azure portal. Once you're there, look for the Copy option. Sometimes it may be labeled as Create Database as Copy of. When you select this option, you'll be prompted to fill in the details for your target server and the new database name you're creating. This process is very intuitive, and being able to see everything laid out visually can be incredibly helpful for those who are newer to managing databases on Azure. Alternatively, if you prefer using T-SQL, you can achieve the same result via a script-based approach. To do this, you'll want to connect to the master database, either on your source server or your target server. Once you're connected, you'll run the following SQL command. Create database target DB name as copy of source server name at source DB name. Just replace target DB name with the name you want for your new database, and do the same for source server name and source DB name with your existing database's server name and database name. This method is quick and efficient if you're comfortable working with SQL commands, and it can be easily automated if you need to perform this operation frequently. Finally, there's another method using Azure CLI, which is a command line tool provided by Azure for managing resources. With the Azure CLI, you can execute an Azure SQL DB copy command to perform the database copy. This is particularly useful for those who prefer working in a command line environment or for scripting automated operations. The CLI method helps streamline the process further by eliminating the need to navigate through web interfaces or deal with direct SQL scripting. Each of these methods has its own benefits, so choose the one that best fits your working style and environment needs. By using any of these strategies, you can efficiently replicate your Azure SQL database to your development server, ensuring a smooth transition into your testing or development phase. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found these methods helpful.